Okay, Lauren, what's your special trick?
Oh, I know. That's easy. But I'm going to do one. Can I do one now? Can I do one now? She's being all crazy. Can I do one now?
Okay, Lauren, get down. Okay, Alex. Is that your special dance with it? Stand all the way up on the top. Oh my goodness. Ready?
What? Jump?
No, just let go. There you go. Wow, look at you.
Everybody in the whole world would be so impressed.
Impressed?
One, if you move this thing, I'm really going to.
What are you guys doing?
Oh, nobody.
Oh, okay, Lauren. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh.
Mommy.
Okay, get down, Alex.
Mommy, Chinese people know a lot about fighting.
They do?
Yeah.
Wow, Lauren. What do Chinese people know about fighting?
They're very good at being ninjas.
Oh, they are?
Yeah.
Wow.
Super good. Be dangerous.
What's dangerous?
Oh, I forgot to do one. I've got to do one.
Well, I think it's getting too long, so we have to stop now.
No.
And then you can do another one.
Okay.
Say bye.